Fire is really a dangerous element. But do you know that every fire is different from each other? A fire originates due to different causes and is therefore classified according to its source of origin. It is divided into 6 main classes from A to F. Let us look at these different classes of fire. Class A fires. Fires which are caused due to the burning of solid materials such as wood, paper, or textiles. Class B fires, or fires involving flammable liquids such as petrol, diesel, or oils. Class C fires, which are formed due to inflammable gases. Class D fires that are caused due to incendiary metals. Class E fires, which are caused due to electrical appliances. And Class F fires, which are caused due to cooking oils. Let us look at these classes in detail for a better understanding. Class A fires. These fires generate due to the presence of a solid fuel. This type of fuel can be paper, cardboard, books, which are commonly used in offices, classrooms, and activity centers. Furniture or fixtures like chairs, tables, benches, curtains, and fittings made of wood also fall under this category. This is one of the most common types of fires since solids are the most common source of fuel available. It is also one of the most difficult to extinguish. The most common fire extinguisher that can be used on a Class A fire is a water extinguisher. Class B fires. Class B fires are those that are caused by burning of inflammable chemicals and liquids. Many workplaces use oils, liquids, and chemicals that have the ability to quickly ignite or become explosive when in contact with fire. Just a few examples include cleaning agents, solvents, oils, inks, adhesives, paints, and varnishes. According to the Fire Protection Association of India, flammable liquids were responsible for just 2% of fires but resulted into 21% of fatalities in the year 2020. Therefore, although these fires are rare, they are more dangerous than any other types of fires. A foam fire extinguisher is very useful for such fires. Class C fires. These fires emanate due to burning of inflammable gases. The gas could be methane or natural gas, LPG or butane, hydrogen, ammonia, or other gases that make the air flammable or explosive. While a powder fire extinguisher can be used to put out Class C gas fires, turning off the gas supply is the only safe way to prevent further spread of the fire. Class D fires. Metals aren't often thought of as combustible, but certain metals such as sodium or lithium, which is heavily used in mobile phone and electrical vehicle batteries, are extremely combustible. Metals are also good conductors of heat, which helps a fire to spread. All metals weaken and melt at high temperatures. This can be a serious problem as metal joists and columns act as crucial structural components of a building, and their yielding due to fire can result in the collapse of the building. What should one do in the event of a Class D fire? In metal fires, water can actually act as an accelerant and hence should never be used. Dry powder extinguishers, on the other hand, can be used to put out metal fires. Small metal flames can be smothered with dry earth or sand as well. Now let us look at Class E or electrical fires. This isn't strictly a fire class since electricity is more of a source of ignition than a fuel per se. Nevertheless, live electrical equipment fires can be extremely dangerous. It is not recommended to use water or any other conductor material to extinguish such fires because it may be fatal. Carbon dioxide and dry powder extinguishers should be exclusively used for such fires. It is, of course, of utmost importance to first turn off the power supply so that the sparks don't emanate from the source of fire. If there isn't a fire extinguisher at your disposal, you can put out an electrical fire with baking soda. However, no one keeps so much of baking soda with them. So the best thing to do is to call a firefighter or to buy a Class E fire extinguisher. Class F fires. Deep frying and fat-rich flammable oils near heat sources in the kitchens can cause a Class F fire. Therefore, one should never leave food or frying equipment unattended while in use. And water should never be used for such a fire. This is because water acts as a super accelerant when combined with oils and helps the fire to spread rapidly. The only kind of fire extinguisher that can be used on cooking oils and fats is a wet chemical extinguisher. For small Class F fires, one may also use a fire blanket.